Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin with the fastest, most reliable method, wired. Plug a good USB-C cable from the Xbox controller into the Ps5 front USB port, then press the Xbox button to power it on. The Ps5 will detect a generic USB input device. Make sure the controller has charge and the cable is data capable, not charge only. Once done, test basic navigation in the PS menu to confirm input. This step works for menus, media, and some games that accept generic controllers. If you want wireless play, use a dedicated USB adapter that translates Xbox protocol to standard HID for PS5. Plug the adapter into the PS5 and put it into pairing mode per its manual. Then hold the Xbox controller's bind button and the Xbox button to enter pairing on the controller until its LED flashes. The adapter should show a pairing confirmation. Then the Ps5 will receive input as an external controller. Make sure adapter firmware is current for best compatibility and low latency. Finish by testing the controller in a game. Some Ps5 titles restrict non-dual sense features, so expect limited functionality in certain games. If controls are unresponsive or drift appears, restart the Ps5 and reconnect. Check adapter or controller firmware and try another USB port or cable. One key troubleshooting tip: if wireless pairing fails, switch to a wired connection to confirm hardware function. Then redo pairing steps. Often a fresh adapter firmware update or cable swap resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.